Hey everybody, this is Cryptoholics here, and we're going to do a little review on a new coin that hit Coinbase just this last week, and it is called VGX, Voyager. And I got the chart up here on it. We can see where it launched right here on the 18th of November. It got a huge spike. You know, we know Coinbase, they always started out with the highest bidder price, but anyway, it took off really well. And it's coming down, creating a pretty much of a downward flag here. And I kind of drew it out the other day because it came down to right about here. And now it's starting to start slowly tapering back up. So I like this right here. Come here. I like the idea of what this thing is doing. To me, this is price discovery. It bottomed out. So I drew a fib from the very top to the very bottom on the original. This is a 30-minute chart. So what we can see now is once it bottomed out here, it's starting to create a slight channel upward. And this coin being what it is, I don't want to go too much into it, I'll cover all the details here in a little bit. And it has not a lot of coverage on it, and it does not have tons of holders. It's only got about 3,000 wallet holders outside of the exchanges. But this coin and this project, this thing is about ready to take off. And when I say take off, is I'll show you that when we get into the CMC, coin market cap, and into the project, where I see this going by the end of I would probably say about end of December, between now and middle December. But my projections on this coin here is anywhere from a 2 to 3x, which will put it back to its all-time high of $11. So that being said, I will cover that here in a second. Let me minimize this screen here, and we'll put it back where it belongs. And let's go over everything that goes on with Voyager. And I thought I had, there it is. Let's start with CMC first. Voyager Token, currently $3.82 a coin. It's all-time high right here, or well, 1 year high was $7.50. And all-time high is $11. And if you notice here, it's got two websites. It's got Invest, Voyager, and Ethos, and I'll explain that here when I get to these tabs, these other tabs. But this coin is currently sitting at a market cap of $1,063,994,000. It's 100% fully diluted, and meaning that the coin supply right here is all at the max supply, and the coin supply is, I think it's $1 million. Yeah, it's about $1 million off, 1 million coins off. So it's pretty much considered 100% diluted. The historical data on this here, that's why I pulled up the chart here. Back here in 2018, around January, it hit an all-time high of $11. And that's usually from the launch of the IC coin, ICO. It tapers down. Runs a flat line like most coins do. So this right here is probably development of the project while they're working on it, making reports and trying to go live. And a lot of people lose interest. This right here is probably when they did the merge. And I'll talk about the merge here in a minute. This brought more people into the token. And they merged two blockchains together. And then down here now Coinbase. So this thing is just starting to gain traction. The holders, everybody likes to know how many holders it is. 3,464 wallet holders. And I tell you what, this thing is going to gain traction. Wallet holders is going to take off. Because once people learn what this project is about, it will blast off. So let me get with the project here. Voyager is like a trading platform. They offer you a debit card. Debit card ties to your account, and you spend crypto. And you also earn interest on the crypto you hold inside your Voyager wallet. Right here you have Voyager Earn programs. They got many lists of a lot of coins and how much they pay. Like DOT's 12%, USDC 9%, VGX is 7%. So the VGX coins you have on Coinbase, you could send to this wallet and get 7% on it. BTC at 5.75, Matic, and there's many more. There's over 30 assets. And I'll show you that real fast here. Here's their whole list. There's Polygon, Cardano, Litecoin, Ethereum, Terra, Chainlink, Cosmos, Celo, Aave, Compound, Doge, Shiba. I'm just jumping through the Graph, Filecoin, Decentraland, OX. I mean, there's a go to this link, go to their link and just look at all this and how they pay out. I'm not going to go too far into it. And yeah, I was messing with this yesterday. You can buy and sell and trade on crypto exchanges. And what they do is Voyager, when you buy and sell on their Voyager app, what they do is they in turn look for the best exchange to do your transfer through for the lowest fees. So their biggest thing is cutting fees down, and they're actually kind of like becoming a store of value staking type wallet where you can do trading in. Could this be the future of what people are using on Coinbase? Could be. I haven't dug that far into it. They got more events coming. And this is the merger right here. Token, or Voyager Token, merged with LGO. And LGO right here. Go over that token merger. What they did is basically they merged two parties together because LGO and Voyager's the USA, and they're out getting regulated, and they're getting set up for people to be able to use all the coins in New York. So they're getting New York certified. LGO covers other parts of other countries, Japan, China, whatever. So by them merging together, they're able to help each other out build what they both want to do instead of compete with each other. So they're working together to go globally instead of compete with each other on their own continents. And that's what crypto is all about. Crypto is about being global, and people, we're going to start seeing a lot of this. A lot of coins merging, helping each other, making things work together. This talks about the swap that they did, the ratio of the coins, how they all both ended both their blockchains and started a new chain. And that, when you look at coin market cap at the very top, there is a deal up there talking about a new contract address, and that was because of this right here. And they did over a 45-day period. So that's the reason Voyager has a new contract address. It wasn't due to anything or any problems they had. It's how they merged their coins together. So I'm just go down here and talks about their goals and what they plan to do, future expansions, and it says stay tuned for more development. So they help you with keeping track of your portfolio, help you build your wealth. You can buy and trade 60 plus digital assets, get more Bitcoin and crypto for your bucks, and secure your financial freedom. And finally, an easy and simple crypto app. It is an app. It's already out for your phone, and the app is powered by Ethos. That's another one they partner with. So yeah, App Store and Google Play. Join the financial revolution. So that's what Voyager is trying to do at the moment. So you can see right here at the top up here, it says VGX has recently migrated from their old contract to a new one. For more information, click here. And it tells you a summary of why they did it. Ethos. I haven't read through this much. Ethos token to be formally rebranded to the Voyager token, VGX, and become native cryptocurrency broker token. So, people wondering where the Ethos went, that's where it is. It is now part of VGX. Ethos has a good wallet setup. So I can see that's why they wanted to use their wallet and how it works. So it makes only good sense for two companies to merge together. And I'm reading this one as we go because I didn't pre-read this. So there's not a whole lot here on this, other than they talk about you can do charting on here. You got the Ethos chart, almost like trading view. So you can store your coins, track your portfolio, transaction optimization, charts and ratings, send and receive in a snap, state-of-the-art security, coin swaps now live, and a fiat gateway. And that goes on down here. I'll show Ethos Bedrock is their X Wallet, X Transact, X Alert, X VSS, and Lightning Network. X Wallet API to create keys, address, and metric obvious directories. So basically, you actually hold the keys to your wallet here. It's not like you're putting money in there like Robinhood and can't transfer it. These wallets, you own the keys, you own your coins. X Transit API for blockchain transactions, including broadcast signature and verification. X Alert notification system for transaction state and alerting as abnormal transactions. I like that. X Alert is awesome because what it does is when you send a transaction, it alerts you and lets you know it cleared and it went through, or you got one coming in, vice versa. A lot of times you can do that in like MetaMask or other places, and if it gets boggled up, you have no idea where it's at. You gotta go search for it. XVSF, enabling institution to cryptographically verify source of funds and identities. So this is the online verification through digital technology. Once you set yourself up with VSF, anywhere you go through the blockchain, it remains there. It's an easy click of a button. And X Lightning direct connects to live managed blockchain nodes, enabling instant transaction notifications. X Lightning's awesome. Here's the Ethos ecosystem. This is what I was going to cover. So you got the Ethos wallet right here, Ethos Bedrock. You got Fiat Gateway, Simplex, Plaid, Voyager right here. That brings fiat into the payment system is Payrock. Okay, exchanges, Voyager and Shapeshift. So there's Voyager working as an exchange. Wealth management, Fusion, banking is to be announced. So there's all these blockchains, CryptoNight, Interledger, UTXO, and EVM. All these blockchains are operating all of this tied together with Ethos, and now Ethos is tied in with Voyager. So you start seeing the path of family, generation tree being put together here in crypto. So that's pretty much that on Ethos. So my projection, like I said on here, what I was talking about. Yeah, let's close that one out and go back to here. So that being said, and where we're looking at right here, and this was all from the launch to the drop, and this is, it's starting to recover a little bit. And I'm going to back this out to one. Well, I can't really go too far out because it's not that a lot of information here. I'm going to draw this out here. So to me, this is just pretty much price discovery is what's going on here. I got on Coinbase, and it's getting picked apart. It's been around for a while. It's got to merge, a couple of merges together, and now we're starting to come back up. So what's going to happen here is we get further into after Thanksgiving, when the market starts really picking up, is when you're going to see this little coin. I don't even know if I can zoom it out that low. Yeah, see it? Whoa. Yeah, there's $11 up there. So this little coin is going to sit here and hop around for a little bit. It's going to pop at about 786. That's going to be about $5. It's been bouncing over here about the 618, about 445. It has shot up there a few times. But come into around Thanksgiving into December, it's going to take back up to $7. It's probably going to retrace back down to $5, and then it's going to shoot up to its $11 high again. This will get back up to $11, and $11 and 40-50 cents. It will be a 3x. So it's just sitting at 3 something. $7 will be a 2x. Do I see this happening? Very easily, because The reason I say that is about 4 years ago, I mined a cryptocurrency called Shardcoin, and they kind of had the same concept of what was going to happen with their coin, but they're basically just a wallet coin. And it wasn't until just recently they finally got their wallet out, and that thing, you want to talk about traction. The traction they're getting on their coin, on their wallet right now, is about 1,600 wallet people downloads a day, and that's 5 years in the works. And their coin's not worth a whole lot, but I've been holding it, staking it. I've had it for a long time. I'm not going to get rid of it because I mined it. So I appreciate everybody coming in, tuning in, and finding out a little bit about Voyager, and hopefully I didn't destroy it with not feeling good and being scatterbrained. So I will let you guys get back to everything you do. Have a great day. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the merch we have in our store. I always keep forgetting to say that. Maybe because I just don't promote myself that much. But okay, have a good one.